GCSE Chemistry Core Practical. Producing pure, dry, hydrated copper sulfate crystals from copper oxide and dilute sulfuric acid using a water bath. Starting with warm dilute sulfuric acid and adding copper oxide, black copper oxide, to produce a blue solution of copper sulfate. Though the solution is blue, copper oxide needs to be added again and again until it is in excess. And again and again. The excess of copper oxide now needs to be filtered from the copper sulfate solution. This leaves pure, saturated copper sulfate solution in the evaporating basin. Once all the copper sulfate is collected, we need to get rid of the water. Now you could just leave it over a warm radiator to evaporate, but we're going to speed this process by placing the evaporating basin over a beaker of boiling water. Using this method, we can get rid of the majority of the water in the evaporating basin before taking it off the heat and leaving the crystals to grow by putting the evaporating basin in a warm room or over the top of a radiator. And here they are. If we leave them for longer, we should form some nice dry copper sulfate crystals. And that's it. Thank you for watching.